What's up, man?
Doing a sample right now.
There's a little sample?
Yeah.
A little sample pack. It don't look like it was in too bad a condition, huh?
It's not too bad. There's some standard marks.
Oh, okay.
When it was bought last time. It looks good.
Yeah, it look good.
But it can look better. Yeah, the color.
Oh
brighten
yeah.
up a lot.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I definitely can see that. Okay, got a nice setup.
Yeah, well done.
Oh yeah, it is. Look, that's how it's supposed to be. Your wires neat.
Yeah.
Everything in order. It ain't showing nothing.
No changes.
Nah,
Yeah, real clean.
Oh yeah, that's clean. Got that under the hood.
Yeah, it's painted good.
Painted to match.
They did good on that.
Yeah. It's original paint from 2009. Came in.
wanted to get it painted.
Who's gonna repaint it?
We was gonna repaint it to the same color, and then Big Red was like,
Man, take it
"You
to
ain't got none of
Van.
that. Go to
Yeah.
Van."
Yeah. Nah. That's crazy. Let me see what Big Red got going on. Oh, that is.
Man, this
Oh yeah.
clean, elegant, and then I
Yeah,
like that.
and it got
That's
these.
detail.
Yeah. You don't see this.
None, nowhere.
Nah, you don't see that. That's
Do
dope.
it showing the trunk,
The Music Man ain't doing it right if that ain't in there.
but that serves purpose.
Yeah, it does serve. Yeah.
This shit'll keep these hinges clean.
Clean, yep.
For the dash, I thought it was like a big test screen. It's got that retro look.
Oh, we just got the retro in the Dakota.
But he said they had one, and then he got it modernized because they came
Okay.
out with a newer one. So
Okay.
I don't know what the difference is. Not too familiar with it.
Got to keep one of them on hand. Fire extinguisher. The back seats. Y'all come see my boy Bam. Don't get you right. Man, I'm gonna get you right. Gauge clusters. This is a beautiful car.
I ain't even got this.
Cunningham. Somebody need to reach you. What they need to do?
Oh man, they need to follow me on IG at Bam Cunningham LLC, or hit my line, text me at 470-894-9115.
Wow.